Hello YouTubers, today's topic will be about oil change on a 99 to 2004 Honda Odyssey. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. Tools needed for this job: any oil absorbent product, shop paper towel, a ramp or a floor jack, an oil filter with a part number indicated on the picture, a band wrench or an oil filter cap, a 17mm socket or a 7/16 socket, a socket wrench, a mechanic gloves or a latex glove, an oil container, a 5W30 synthetic oil, full synthetic, highly recommended. Without further ado, let's get this one started. Make sure the wheel is centered on the ramp. Start the van and drive slowly. Keep the steering wheel straight. You should have a good clearance now to work underneath the van. Crawl underneath the van. On the passenger side, look for the word engine oil. On the top of it, you'll find an oil drain plug. On a counterclockwise direction, loose the drain bolt. Position the oil pan close to the drain plug. Open the front hood. On the front right of the engine, open the oil cap. Underneath the left passenger wheel well, locate the oil filter. On a counterclockwise motion, loosen the old oil filter. Now, on a clockwise motion, install the filter by hand at first. Then, use the band wrench or oil filter cap to tighten the oil filter. Install the drain bolt back, hand tight at first. Then, use the socket wrench to tighten the drain bolt. Fill up the engine with oil. Remember, it takes 4 liters of oil. Watch out for the oil indicator on your oil jug. Congratulations, you successfully did an oil change to your car. It's cleanup time. Use the oil absorbent product to clean up oil spills on the ground. And that completes our oil change video for a 99 to 2004 Honda Odyssey. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.